Here I am, you guys. I made it after all.
Debbie Davis has a lot to celebrate.
He told me that you're lucky to be alive.
What started out as a hip repair turned into something more serious. Debbie's doctors in Ellensburg discovered her heart was failing, so they transferred her to University of Washington Medical Center in Seattle. There, cardiologists saw that not only did Debbie's aortic valve need to be replaced, but the valve had a defect that typically requires open heart surgery to repair, something Debbie couldn't do because of her hip injury.
And it makes it very challenging to treat in a conventional way.
Dr. Danny Dvir was up to the challenge. He proposed a catheter-based technique that involved cutting Debbie's existing faulty valve into 3 pieces so that the mechanical replacement valve would seat tightly and not leak around its edge. Dvir would be first in the world to attempt the technique, but he'd done something similar last year, so he was confident it was possible.
We had to think out of the box.
He proposed it to Debbie, who was game to try.
It looks very good.
Unbelievable.
Just imagine, this is before and this is after.
That's amazing what I went through.
Debbie sailed through the 2-hour procedure.
No scar, no nothing, and I woke up feeling 100% like nothing even happened.
It went very smoothly. It actually was much more elegant than I expected it to be.
Debbie was transferred to Harborview Medical Center for her hip repair and is now recovering in Ellensburg and picking up right where she left off.
My life is back. Feels good.
From the UW Medicine newsroom in Seattle, this is Brian Donahue.